The Sonic-FX Duo Toothbrush Set offers an impressive cleaning capability with its ability to deliver 40,000 strokes per minute, ensuring a thorough clean for your teeth, gums, and tongue. This toothbrush set comes with a long-lasting battery that can last up to 60 days on a single charge, making it highly convenient for both home use and travel. With a total of 14 brush heads included, this set provides a complete solution for oral hygiene, accommodating both regular and interdental cleaning needs. The built-in 2-minute timer with 30-second alerts helps you maintain optimal brushing habits by encouraging even coverage across all quadrants of your mouth. Designed with portability in mind, the lightweight and compact design makes this toothbrush a perfect travel companion, ensuring your oral hygiene is maintained on the go. The dual handle feature makes the Sonic-FX Duo Toothbrush Set suitable for both adults and kids, offering versatility and efficiency in maintaining dental health.